Hi guys, welcome back to another video of RW Outdoors. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to build a bird feeder. Now this bird feeder is pretty cool. Now on the table here is all the things that you need. Just get yourself one of these like coffee can things. You can use metal or plastic, it don't matter. And then get this like a kind of platter thing. I got this from a dollar store for like $1. And then you're gonna need some snips, a little bit of rope, scrap piece of wood, 2 screws, small drill bit, screwdriver, and a drill with a big drill bit. So first, what we're gonna be doing is drilling the holes for the seed to come out. So then what you're gonna do is drill some holes into your can. Just do like 2 or 3 in a spot. Sorry about the audio if it's kind of crappy, but so I like to do like 4 of those, or 3 holes and then like 4 sides. Then take your snips, try to get in there and open up that hole. Birds love these kind of feeders. So I'm going to try to snip it. Sorry. Try to snip this hole. So that way seed can come out as easy as possible. I'm building this bird feeder for my mom because she likes birds. So I'm gonna do that, drill more holes. I only do 2 that time. Take your snips, cut those holes, make it bigger. Last time I did this, I used a metal can because metal will obviously last longer, but the bad thing about this is when you do that, these metal marks, and then the birds could get cut on like the little burrs. If you guys like this video and want some more videos like it, put in the comments like what you'd like to see, and be sure to like and subscribe. I will put more content soon. Maybe some fishing videos or something of that sort. So you got 2 holes drilled. This one's not that good, but it works. And then do another 2 holes. Honestly though, this is probably the hardest part, is making the holes. This whole thing is pretty easy. And once it gets a little bit warmer outside, because it's winter here, I'll obviously post more stuff outside. It's just a little chilly out here. I think like 10 degrees outside. In the mornings it's like -10. That hole's kind of crappy, but it works. You can always go back and do that again. Drill your other hole. Cut this out. Yeah, if you guys see that anything that I need to do different in my videos, just post down below in the comments. And I appreciate every one of you guys that subscribed. There. Try to throw the scraps away in the trash. There, your holes are drilled somewhat. Try to get these burrs cleaned up. Just like that. Then you take your platter. I'll see if I can. Try to drill through center your can. Drill through, I guess it's easier if I do it upside down. Set it like this. Try to center it down there. drill a couple holes, I'd say like 2, because you don't want to just do 1, because then it'll spin. Like that. So that would be like a drainage hole. Let me get the smaller drill bit for the screws. Try to find that hole. It's important to have drainage holes. Drill that out. Drill that out. Make sure it's... See, that's not going to work, because make sure your scrap wood can be able to fit that into so you can screw it into. So make sure your holes are smaller. Or closer together. You try to find them here. There. So let's make them a little bit closer. See if that's any better. So that should be good. And then flip it over. Line up your holes. Take one of your screws. Screw on. Crap. Screwdriver's kind of junk. I'm gonna get a better screwdriver. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm sorry, I'm back. My phone died and then I had to bring it in and charge it, so I brought this whole feeder in. So once you got it screwed in, the scrap wood, I had to grab a different piece of scrap wood because that piece of tree kept splitting. So now that's on there, nice and tight. Then you take your string. As you can see, I drilled a couple holes here, 2 of them at the top. You put your string through. Try this other side here first. This kind of string is a little bit awkward. Just take your screwdriver and poke it in there, I guess. There. Poke her in there. There. See, now it's in there. And then take it out a little bit. Tie 2 regular knots. Just loop it and then pull it through. Now it's like that. Make it nice and tight. So there's one side done. And this other side, probably have to do the same. Take your, like I said, you can use any type of can for this. If you wanted to make it smaller, you could even use just a paper plate. And then like maybe a peanut butter jar or something. Make it nice and small. Tie 2 knots. Probably just get away with 1, but who cares? So there. Those are tight on there. So they're not going to go nowhere. As you can see, bird feeder complete. Just put your lid on there. Screw it on there. Fill it with bird seed and should be good. Here, I'll take this camera out and I'll show you a side view. See? Just like that. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And put in the comments what you'd like to see on this channel. Thank you.